How to make the Facebook account private on the laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to make your Facebook account private on your laptop. First, visit the Facebook website on your browser. Click the profile icon on the top right side and select Settings and Privacy. Here, click Settings and it will direct you to the Settings page. On the left side menu, go to the Privacy Checkup tab. Click on the first option, Who can see what you share? In the Personal Info pop-up window, select the options and choose the option Only Me. If there is no Only Me option, then select Friends. Click Done to apply changes to each option. Now click Next to update the personal information of your account. After that, go back to the Settings section. Find the Profile Lock option. If not, then go to your profile. Next, click the three dots icon to open the drop-down menu. Select the Lock Profile option and click Lock Your Profile. Your account will be locked. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.